I'm on a dick like a maniac, head like a brainiac. Gotta reach the sound like a zodiac. I'm a low-key freak, you don't know me yet. Good head, got a little bite to it. Little booty, got a little bounce to it. We could go all damn night to it. Wife that, gon'
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor B Beauty, and I know it has been a long time since I have released a video, but this is my first Valentine's Day look. So this is the look right here. It is super duper simple to accomplish. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, which I absolutely love. It's nothing like the Subculture palette, because that was trash, we all know. But I used, what colors did I use? I used 4 colors. I used Eden, Eternal, Lucid, and Parallel. And I think that this palette is so pretty. You can really use it. It's very versatile. It's very, like, you can use it for a day out, you can use it for a night out, you can use it for a simple look, an extravagant look. I decided to use more goldy colors for this look. I really love it. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. The first thing I'm doing is grabbing my Anastasia's Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony, and I'm quickly filling in my eyebrow. I'm going along with the natural way my eyebrow goes, and I'm just quickly filling them in. I did the other one off camera. Now I'm taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NC35, and I'm just priming my eyelid and shaping my brow, underlining under my brow so that it is nice and defined, and I have a blank space to fill out for my eyeshadow. I'm just blending that in with my finger, and then I'm taking my Laura Mercier setting powder so that I can set that really quickly and work with my palette. So today I'm using the Anastasia Prism palette, and I'm taking the color Eden to put all over my lid. I'm using windshield wiper motions, and I'm using a eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm just blending that all over my lid to get the perfect gradient shade. I'm not focusing it on my lid, but I'm putting it in my crease and all up and over my lid. Next, I'm taking my MAC concealer again, and I'm carving out my crease because this will be a cut crease look. Next, I'm taking the color Eternal, and this is pretty much a coppery color, and I'm just, putting that all over my lid, putting that in the areas where my eyeshadow was at, and I am just quickly carving out my other eyelid, obviously, and putting that eyeshadow right there. And I also went back into the palette, and I'm using the color Pyramid to just deepen up, or not deepen up, brighten up pretty much my crease color. I'm using a more goldy color so that it'll pop against the colors I already have on my lid. Next, I'm taking Sex Kitten Cosmetic Lash in the style Summer, and I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase that. For primer, I'm using Fenty Beauty Primer, and I'm rubbing that all over my face in a gentle motion. I really love this primer so much. It mattens out my face. I don't think that's a word. It mattifies my face, and it reduces the redness, reduces pores. I really love it. It is definitely one of my go-tos now. For a brighter, dewy, highlighted look, I'm using my MAC Strobe Cream, and I'm putting that right over my primer in the areas that I put it. Next, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Foundation in the color 310, and I'm just doing half my face first, and I'm going to do the other half right after this the same way. I'm using my Beauty Blend, or my Real Techniques sponge, to just blend that all over my face really quickly. I love this sponge. I really love most beauty blenders and most sponges to apply foundation. It really puts on a seamless, flawless look, but especially with this particular foundation, I love it. After I'm done blending my foundation into my skin, I'm getting my chin, my neck, my hairline, all of that area. I'm going to be taking a clear mascara, and I'm just setting my brows really quickly with that to really bring them back to life so they don't look as artificial almost. And then I'm going to be using the concealer NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm using the color Caramel. And I like a more muted highlight. Like, I don't like to highlight super, like, crazy. You know what I'm saying? I just like to conceal my dark circles. That's what I'm going for. Not really much a highlighted look. I'm blending that in with the same beauty blender that I used before, and then I'm going to go in and contour. So I'm using my tried and true Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Kit, and I'm using the middle shade, and I'm just contouring my cheekbones, my jawline, my forehead, all of that good stuff. I'm taking the color Lucid from the Prism palette, and I'm highlighting my inner tear ducts. I'm highlighting my brow bone with that, and I am going crazy. Like, I absolutely love that as a tear duct highlight and a brow bone highlight. So it's bomb.com. Next, I'm just setting my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. I like to spray that generously on my face to really bring it back to life after all the powders I used. For a highlight, I'm using the Becca Cosmetics Gradient and Glow highlight. It is basically a mix of all of the colors that they have released in one pan. It is so beautiful. I just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, look at that glow, sis. Yes. Yes, but I'm highlighting my high points of my face, on top of my brow, my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, all of that. For lips, I'm going to use Dose of Colors Stone and Truffle. First, I'm taking Truffle, which you can leave by itself, but I thought it was a little bit too pink for this look, so I wanted to go in with a little bit of a deeper color. So then I took Stone to go right on top of it. I like this look by itself, but I love the two colors mixed together. And that is pretty much it. I rubbed those two colors together, and that is my final look. Alright everybody, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this look. I have so many more videos coming for you guys. Please be sure to comment down below and let me know which kind of videos you want to see. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Please be sure to follow my social medias over here, and I will see you guys in my next video.